what do you believe set your project or initiative apart from others in the same category?
Yeah, thank you so much, first of all, recognizing our iSprout as one of the best co-working space, and definitely it's a great encouragement for us and projects in Hyderabad as well as more all India.
Great, ma'am. Thank you so much. That sounds good too. And next one I have for you, other one. And how has this recognition influenced your professional journey and your approach to future projects?
Yeah, definitely, because co-working industries became one of the important segment in the real estate industry post-COVID. So a lot of people doesn't know about the co-working industry itself, and I think making a space for the co-working industry as one of the award in the real estate industry is a great achievement, great encouragement for all the industry itself.
Very true, ma'am. Yes. And another one for you again. Okay. Can you discuss any key partnerships or collaborations that were instrumental in the success of your project?
Yeah, definitely. So, iSprout is one of the biggest co-working player in Telangana. So, and this is all happened with the help of the builders and then Credai, and then I can say all the realty organizations who are helping all the businesses to guide and then get some inputs overall in the real estate industry.
Okay, ma'am, that sounds good too. Thank you. So again, looking ahead, what are your plans for future? Developing or expanding upon the success of your award-winning projects?
Yeah, so iSport is such a co-working player, like always like work towards the innovation, and then we appreciated many times in various award functions. Like we're one of the players who always take some concepts, especially like we take the Indian culture and then our tradition as a most priority, and then we incorporated a lot of our Indian standard, Indian culture, and then in terms of the you take most of the like historical places or the I can say palaces or the temples. Like we always try to take some concepts which are mostly influenced like towards our culture and then incorporated. Recently we did one of the center with the Mahabharata theme, where we taken all the characters of Mahabharata, like how they are relevant for the today's opposite government. As well as we picked up all the strategies used in the Kurukshetra war. So the strategies used ages back, so how they are important today. So these are all the innovative and then things that we started adopting in our
So the new and like the new things which you are going to implement or which you want to go ahead with the future plans.
Yes.
Okay, and the last one. Yeah. So in your opinion, what measures should government implement to create a more favorable environment for real estate development while ensuring benefits for end users?
Yeah, definitely. Like already the government is like there are a lot of initiatives taken by the government to support the real estate industry, but I think there may be more help needed from the government side towards the quick clearances and then more standards incorporating in the construction side and then protecting the investors' interest. So these are all the maybe some more guidances may be really helpful to protect the investors.
Great, ma'am. Thank you so much. It was very good.